Friends, today we are going to see about the topic Stokes theorem. First, we have to see the statement of Stokes theorem. If S in an open surface bounded by a simple closed curve C, and if a vector function capital F vector is a continuous and has continuous partial derivative in S on C, then main formula is double integral over S curl F vector dot n cap ds is equal to single integral over C F dot F vector dot dr vector. So this is the main formula for Stokes theorem, where n vector is the unit normal vector to the surface S. Right? Note it down. The important point is C is traversed in the positive direction with respect to ds. So this is the main thing we have to apply in Stokes theorem problems. Right? Now see the example. First example, this is for verification of Stokes theorem. This question is maybe asked in a 16 mark question in your analytic question paper. Several times they are asking examples based on Stokes theorem. See the first example. Verify Stokes theorem for a vector field capital F vector equal to x square minus y squared into I vector plus 2xy k vector in the rectangular region on the xy plane bounded by x equal to minus a, x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and y equal to b. Solution. First of all, you have to find curl F vector because it is needed to find for left hand side of the given formula. Right? So curl F vector means del cross F vector. So this is not dot symbol, cross symbol. Del cross F vector means it's a determinant value. Right? Determinant of I, j, k first row elements. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z at second row elements. Third row elements are F vector coefficients of I, j, k. X square minus y square is coefficient of I vector, 2xy coefficient of j vector, and there is no k vector element, therefore put 0 in last value. Now how to find determinant value you will already know in your matrices unit. I vector into 0 minus 0 minus j vector into 0 minus 0 plus k vector into 2y plus 2y equal to, finally we get curl F vector equal to 4y k vector. And unit normal vector for this question is n vector equal to k vector, because this question, the given rectangular region is lies on xy plane. Xy plane means it is similar to dx dy or xy plane, right? So dx dy or the dxy plane means here n vector equal to k vector. Suppose this given region is lies on yz plane means we get j vector. Suppose lies on xz plane means n cap equal to I vector, right? So this thing. So curl F vector dot n cap equal to here 4y only. So k vector dot k vector equal to, already we know the result, standard result is 1. So curl F dot n cap d is equal to 4y into dy dx. Limits of y is 0 to b, and limit of a is limit of x axis is minus a2. This is given in question. These are the boundaries of x and y. So directly we can apply upper limit, lower limit. We get the left hand side value is 4ab squared. Right? After that we have to find right hand side value. So right hand side we have to separate 4 line equations, because this is a rectangular solid. Each and every rectangle may be separated into 4 type of separate lines. So what are the lines are in the sense AB, BC, CD, TA we have to apply. Right? Now for AB, y equal to 0. If y equal to 0 means automatically dy equal to 0. So f dot dr also we have to find already. Now x bar is from minus a to a. This is called positive direction. So minus a to a, put y equal to 0. Wherever y becomes, put y equal to 0 and dy equal to 0. So we get f dot dr equal to only x square minus y square dx plus 0 equal to only x square dx, because y equal to 0 and dy equal to 0. So the final answer is 2a cube by 3. After the differentiation, put upper limit, lower limit, get only 2a cube by 3. Next, along the line BC, here x equal to a line. So if x equal to a is a constant means then dx is equal to 0. You know, differentiation of any constant equal to 0. Here y varies from g to b in positive direction. Similarly, we have to apply CD line and DA line. We get the final answer for 4 integral summation of all integrals equal to, we get 4ab square. Since left hand side also, the right hand side also the same value, hence Stokes theorem verified for given region. And another one, this question is application of Stokes theorem. The previous question is a verification. They are asking the verification sum is only for big question, part C, part to B, 60 mark sum. But this application of Stokes theorem, they are asking only 8 mark, right? evaluate f dot dr, where f vector is given and c is bounded by the triangle. Triangle vertices are given 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So we have to evaluate left hand side. We already know what is the logic of Stokes theorem. If we found right hand side of Stokes theorem equal to left hand side, already proved. So before going to find left hand side value, we first find right hand side, because both are equal. We already proved. So because why we found right hand side when compared to left hand side, right hand side is very easy to evaluate. Therefore right hand side value how to find, using curl of first. So find curl of means del cross f vector. Last question we already we know how to find what del cross f value. Del cross f value equal to, for this sum, 2x minus 2y. Next, curl of dot n cap equal to, here lies on y is a dy xy plane. So xy plane means curl of dot n cap equal to k vector. So x minus y into dy dx. Here y limits are y and x is given in question. Y limit is varies from 0 to x, and y axis limit is varies from 0 to 1. So after the integration we get 1 by 3. So final answer of given question is 1 by 3. So this is the application of Stokes theorem. This is for only 8 marks. Thank you. If you have any doubt, ask me.